Let's look at your practical book. Let's on page 19. Let's read the instruction. Fill in the blanks with oo, double O. Name the pictures, then color the pictures that have the long oo sound. Now you go to name. It's already here written as a oo, o. There's a oo sound. Okay, now look at this book. This is a book. So how do you write it? B-oo, double O, oo, k, book. Is it a short or long oo sound? It's a short oo sound, so you don't have to color. We're going to color the long oo sound. Okay, now the next one is the moon. So, oo, moon. It's a long oo sound, so you have to color the moon. Okay, next one is her hook. Is it a short or long oo? It's a short hook. So it's a short oo, so you don't have the color. Next one, spoon. It's a long oo sound, so you have to color the spoon. Okay, children? Okay, next one is food. It's a long oo sound, so you have to color the picture. Next one is the stool. It's a long oo sound, so you have to color the stool. So what are the ones that you have to color? The moon, the spoon, the food, and the stool. So these are the long oo sounds that you need to color. Okay, children, I hope that you can identify the long and